In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client progress dashboard in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, centralized view of projects, deliverables, and milestones. And you'll know exactly how to keep it updated for reliable reporting. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, head to Dashboards. Select Add Dashboard and give it a clear, memorable name like Client Progress. Naming matters because it helps your team quickly find and understand the purpose of this workspace. Next, choose a layout that matches your reporting style. If you want a straightforward structure, Grid is a great choice. If you prefer more control over positioning and sizing, go with a custom layout. Think about the story you want your dashboard to tell. High-level status at the top, deeper details below often works well. Now, add the core building blocks with Add Widget. A task list widget lets you surface active tasks and deliverables, so you can scan what's in progress, what's overdue, and what's completed. Charts are perfect for visualizing progress by client or project. Bar charts for workload, donuts for completion percentage. The goals widget helps you monitor client milestones in one place, so you can see what's on track or slipping. A timeline widget brings deadlines and schedules into focus, making it easy to spot bottlenecks. And if you need business metrics, custom widgets can display revenue, feedback scores, or completion percentages pulled from custom fields. Quick note, if you don't have ClickUp yet, I've placed a website link and download options right at the top of the description so you can install the app or sign up on the web. With your widgets in place, apply filters to narrow the view by client, project, or account manager. Filters keep the dashboard relevant for whoever's looking at it, whether that's a specific team lead or a client. From there, customize each widget to show the metrics that matter most. Adjust columns, groupings, and date ranges, and highlight key data like completed tasks, upcoming deadlines, or milestone status. Keep labels consistent so everyone reads the dashboard the same way. When you're happy with the layout and data, share the dashboard with your team or clients. Set the appropriate access so stakeholders can view progress without changing your setup, and use sharing to keep everyone aligned without manual updates. Finally, monitor it regularly, daily for fast-moving projects, or weekly for steady-state work. Review trends, spot risks early, and refine filters or widgets as your reporting needs evolve. That's it. You now have a client progress dashboard in ClickUp to monitor projects, deliverables, and client milestones efficiently. Thanks for watching.